Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under and another unboxing video. This one has made its way from Canada. Alright, bit of paperwork. Alright, this is from the same seller I had a little while ago where he packs everything individually, which is a cool thing. Definitely make sure everything is protected in its trip, and it is a very long way from Canada to Australia, and no doubt these boxes get used as footballs along the way, so they look like the cases. Let's get into them. And just like clockwork, a full deck. Very cool. Leave them in. Property of US Army. I think most people have worked that one out. And made in USA. So another ball end, any splits, or maybe a little one there. Really hard, I don't know if you can see it. Well, you know, cameras have got better eyes than humans these days. Maybe it's not a split, so we should do check on this one as well. Looks good. And once again, just got a stray blade. Let's pop it in. Okay, so this one here is a French blade, or a French razor I should say. Looks kind of nice. I'm usually just a Gillette collector, but this time around saw this and I thought, yeah, why not? You can see what's written there. Comes apart. Teeth look pretty straight. Hollow handle. There it is. I actually got a box, a countertop shop display of these razor blades, probably 100 blades in the box. So I'll probably display this next door to it. And there were some paperwork. Well, there is some paperwork. So for all you people out there who are good with the French language, you can just pause and give it a read. But looks pretty cool. To rip off Marty from Marty's Matchbox Makeovers, I'm happy with that. I'll just pop this one back in the case. There we go. Let's do this one. Sort of like the military cases. This one obviously hasn't been engraved like some of them are, but this looks pretty good condition, doesn't it? Let's open it up. So, it's got these two. I'll assume that they are original. I'd say so. I don't think you can buy thumbtacks this small, can you? Now I'm trying to get back into the original hole. Oh, that's what she said. And come on out. Rightio, so I'll just pop that there. This is just coming off the back. I might give that a bit of glue and the ribbon as well. So the mirror's pretty good shape. There's me. And inside the case. And this one here is an interesting one. Is that octagonal? I'm not sure. Let's open her up. And I'm not 100% how this all rolls together, but I think that's how it works. Just get this. See if it'll all go into the camera. It does. So, there we have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it interesting as much as I did. And we'll catch you soon, either on a shave or another unboxing. Ciao for now.